Hey, good morning. We're going over this single family property at 472 East Whittier Street, giving you an idea of where it is. It is one of my top 4 or 5 properties I'm looking at for a medium term client. It's down here in the German Village. Why we like that location, or it might be technically Schumacher Place, but we like this location because it's German Village adjacent, or the Schumacher Place. It's near Schiller Park, which is a big attraction, and it's near Nationwide Children's. It's also near downtown, and there's quite a bit of attraction and activity at Lou Berliner Athletic Facility. So these are all reasons that we're liking the area. It's also one of the highest appreciating areas in the city. And so the long-term appreciation outlook is very promising. This specific property is in need of some work. As you can see, it's still got an old slate roof that would need to be dealt with. The wood in a lot of cases needs to get not redone, but probably retouched, restained. You're going to want to keep a lot of these features. It might look like the home and the kitchen that a smoker was there. When we get to those pictures, you'll see, you'll see that there's like some holes in the roofs where there was some water intrusion. This kind of makes me think, and this sign here makes me think it was a smoker in here at some point, with how tinged the walls are with I assume with nicotine. There's some water intrusion again up here on the wallpaper. So really probably need to like keep what you can as far as the nice woodwork and everything, but you're probably redoing all the walls, doing new electric, new plumbing, bring it all up to modern standards, but retain that old way. It's a large home. It's 2,000 square feet, and so that's why we like and why we consider it. So here is what our project ends up looking at. So we did a purchase price of 400. They want 450 right now. It's been on the market for a while, so let's assume we get it for 400. I'm estimating a total gut job at 175 grand. I think that's a little over, but I will use that for budgetary reasons. And then I ran some comps on this, and we where are my comps here? Sorry. So if you get into a property like this, that's like really beautiful, very well done, modern, but still retains all that old woodwork and all that old character and the flooring and everything. Like, it's very well done. This went for 690 in the similar area. So we know that the value is there if we put in the work. So at 400, we estimated the after repair value at 627. That is conservative, but we want to be conservative in these initial numbers. So then we know that we're going to be able to pull $501,000 out after we do the rehab and, put a renter in there, put our operation in there. And these are how the numbers look. Now, some people would say this isn't a very good deal because you're leaving $73,000 in the deal of the money you used to buy this. If you want to take all your money out, we just need to readjust these numbers, figure out, are we going to drop down the repair estimate and then go confirm that? That may drop down anywhere when we go talk to our contractors. What we need to do to get that 73,000 to come out. But even as it stands, leaving that 73 grand in the deal, we still got a 10% return on pro forma cap rate. We got a 15% purchase cap rate, 33% cash on cash return, and we're getting $2 grand a month in pure monthly cash flow, even accounting for paying for utilities and that kind of thing. Now, I assumed that we were going to be able to make $6,500 a month out of this thing, using it as a medium term rental. I assumed that we were going to set it up, or by we, I mean my clients were going to set it up as a couple different units, like a couple different features, so that they could have multiple renters in there at once. And that's using Furnish Finder. That's kind of what I came out with if they ended up with 2 total kind of units that they could rent. Each one rents for a little over $3 grand a month in this area. So that's the numbers as they stand. They seem promising. So next steps would be to confirm this with the investor that these numbers make sense to them, and then go actually see if we can get in there and get an idea for how much work would really be needed. If you are interested in this or any other property, shoot it my way. Happy to take a look at it. Any questions, shoot it my way as well. Happy to talk through numbers specifically or deal with any specific questions.